Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at CF on the daily and weekly time frame, extremely bullish break, gap up, and certainly not a gap and trap. The bulls controlled the entirety of the day, closing at the high, but it is still right at key resistance. The break above 30.76 was extremely bullish because that was where the last bounce attempt topped out, and now we have a higher high. So the 100-day moving average resistance is 31.17. We close at the high of the day by less than a penny, so 31.16 was the high of the day. We're going to need to test this level tomorrow and close above it. If we get rejected and lose the upper Bollinger Band support, we will anticipate consolidation, and that could occur all the way down to this $30 psychological support, which also acted as resistance on that bounce attempt in May. So very key resistance level, the 100-day moving average, update that at the open. And if you look at the weekly chart, very key resistance, the middle Bollinger Band, 31.18. So we've got two levels lining up. That's making that resistance even more tough. We can see this middle Bollinger Band, the last time it was support was August 2015. So that is 8 months worth of resistance. So if we close above 31.18 on the weekly chart by the end of the day Friday, very significant bullish development. You can draw a downtrend resistance line here hitting these lower highs, and we are currently right at that level. So a clear break, a close above 32 would make it very convincing. And that is what the bulls are looking for here at the end of the week. Volume for the entirety of last week, keeping in mind it was a 4-day week, was 20.5 million. Volume the first day, 7.7 million. So we're at over 33% of the entirety of last week's volume in the first trading day. So that increases the odds we see an increase in volume and likelihood that we will close above these resistances this week. That is, if the bulls can close above them tomorrow. Need to see continuation. Keep in mind we've seen a $4 bounce from $27 to $31 over the past 4 days. So we are a bit overextended to the upside. I would not be surprised to see this resistance cause some consolidation. It's all going to be about where we close at the end of the week. So that's what we're looking at for CF. Certainly going to be curious to check in on Friday to see where we stand in regard to the 100-day and middle Bollinger Band weekly resistances. And that is where have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.